Hello everyone, welcome to Accounting with Priyanka. In this video, we will understand what accounting is in a simple and easy way. So let's get started. What is accounting? Accounting is the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, and analyzing financial transactions. So, in simple words, what we can say is accounting helps businesses keep track of where money comes from and where it goes. So let's understand this with an example. Suppose a shop owner makes sales of 10,000 rupees, purchases goods worth 5,000 rupees and pays rent of 2,000 rupees. So what happens is accounting records all these transactions and helps calculate whether the business is making a profit or a loss. Now, why is accounting important? Accounting is important because it helps businesses know their profit and loss. It helps track income and expenses, prepare tax returns, and make better business decisions. That's why accounting is often called the language of business. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand what accounting is. If you found this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Follow Accounting with Priyanka for more contents on accounting, GST, TDS and income tax. See you in the next video.